Hey guys, we'll be back again to do OSP Pro. We'll be back again after this new video with OSP Pro. Now in this video, simply I'm not going to waste any of your time because I'm going to show you something that you already be knowing, or you already know from maybe another background of programming language. If I told you I've been programming in maybe in other programming language, I believe you know this gentleman known as comment. Now I'm not going to waste any time, I'm just going to show you within this program something like that, straightforward. Now what are comments? In a simple term, I will simply tell you comments refers, now this confusion that always guys we always need to tend to get in real world. Comment comes to the term of like maybe in Facebook or in other platforms is different from the comment when someone talks about programming. Now in Facebooking or other stuffs or other platforms, I can comment someone by typing in codes or by typing access sentences typing in sentences or paragraphs so that the person gets to know what I'm trying to talk about. But in programming comments, this refers to the source codes or the codes written by a programmer, whereby the compiler or the one which is going to execute the compiler that's going to execute the codes I've written down. When it comes to the compiler, actually the comment, it will be hidden for it. It will not see, it will not sense that there's a statement there that should be printed out for the user to see. Now that's what simple I'll say comment in this time around, basing on programming world. What's a comment? Now not only do we have comment in other program language, but also in MySQL we have comments. And there are two main types of comments in MySQL. There is one known as single line comment, which is an hash type like that. So I'll say this is a single line comment. You get? So if I press enter if I press enter, I'll not get any infection. But if I just say maybe this is my statement. Remember I said the other one is a single line comment. If I press enter, this one is waiting for the line to end. So if I end the line, it will give me error. You get? Something like that. Now it's because it is not a comment. So a simple comment, you write using a hash. As long as if it is a single line, we use a hash before a statement. So that's a comment. Now we have another type of comment which is called multiplying comment in our PHP. So this is how they write multiplying comment. So this is another comment. I will simply say it's another comment, something like that. So if I happen to write that, it will definitely shows me there that's waiting for that block of line. So it's trying to give you this, show you this, showing that there's something is waiting for you to end the block of line. That implies I can write my codes and I say this is my comments, and it can take many lines. Things like that. It does not matter how many lines I happen to give within the program. So if I have to end like that, it will not affect any of my program. So guys, please, thanks for watching this short video. Don't forget to subscribe to OSP Pro. I love you all. Please guys, make sure you subscribe, comment down. Thank you guys for watching. Love you all.